This 16 townhouse development in Willagee, Western Australia, is the largest and most complex project Hadrian X has undertaken to date. Hadrian X is a world-first construction robot capable of building brick or block structures directly from a 3D CAD model without human intervention. FBR is constructing the load-bearing walls, internal partition walls, and concrete footings and slabs for the townhouses. Construction is continued on site with the completion of all the ground floors on both the northern and southern sections of the development. Further work has seen completion of 3 of the upper floors on the southern side, with Hadrian X construction activities to recommence once further trade work has been completed. To date, Hadrian X has laid 44,727 concrete masonry units, or approximately 223,600 standard brick equivalents. A single FBR concrete masonry unit makes up about 5 standard house bricks, and those CMUs are bonded together using a special construction adhesive, which bonds twice as strong as traditional mortar. The complexities associated with the development at Willagee showcase the versatility of Hadrian X's capabilities, including the construction of 8-metre-high common party walls between each townhouse, utilising triple-leaf cavity walls with acoustic brick ties.
To learn more about FBR, visit our website fbr.com.au. You can stay up to date with all our latest news and announcements by subscribing to the official FBR YouTube channel.